All right, now that we've done 24 rows, we are going to start the decrease row. So row 25, we're going to knit 2 together 10 times and then do our purl 1, knit 1, rip. So our yarn's in the back and we are going to knit these 2 together. So you start from your second stitch and you go through both of those, and that's knitting 2 together. Let's do it again 9 more times. And this is when you'll start having to either use double pointed needles or put your larger cable needle so that you can do the magic loop method. And then you purl 1 and knit 1 to the end of your round. And then for row 26, you just knit 10 and then purl 1 and knit 1 till your last 2 stitches, and then you knit 2 together. I did a purl 1, knit 1, and I have 2 stitches left, and I'm going to knit those 2 together. Then you're going to knit 2 together 6 times, and then you do the rib stitch, but your last 2 stitches you're going to knit. So you will knit these 2, so you'll do your purl 1, knit 1, and then you'll have a purl 1, and you just knit. Alright, so knit 2 together 6 times and do your purl 1, knit 1. So I knitted this one, and I'm going to knit the last stitch. Then you're going to knit 6, then you rib stitch to your last 2 stitches, and you knit those 2 together. I'm going to just show you how I knit this row. You can change to a larger cable so that you can do the magic loop method better, but I'm just going to show you how I get away with it using my smaller needle. Okay, so now I'm at my purl 1 and knit 1. Here's the beginning of my round. I'm just going to put all these over here. And we knit our last 2 stitches together. And this is what it's looking like.